How to save, backup and restore contacts on phone.
Method 1. Open smartphone's default contact app. Then in top right corner select more option. Then select settings option. Note this audio video post uploaded for learning and informational purpose, and check description also. Then scroll down and select contacts to display. Select all contacts. Scroll down and select share multiple contacts. Select as one file, and if you want to save contacts separately, so select individually option. In top select import export contacts option. Select export option. Then select device storage or memory card, SD card if available, or SIM card. A VCF file will be saved in your smartphone storage or memory card, SD card or SIM card. To restore those contacts, select import option. Then select device storage or memory card, SD card or SIM card where you have saved your contacts. Note this might look different. It depends on smartphone model, version, and UI means user interface. And also if any photo set in your contact and other contact details, email ID, address, notes, that will be also saved in VCF file. Depends on smartphone model, version, and UI. Second method. Note this audio video post uploaded for learning and informational purpose, and check description also. Select contacts one by one, or in top left corner select all option. Then select share option in top right corner or where it is showing on screen. Then select Bluetooth or Wi-Fi direct option and transfer your contacts to another handset. Or select any other options as showing on screen. Also look for other option to save, backup and restore contacts on phone. Or suggestion, take time and note down your contacts on book or text document software or applications like Word file, Excel file and others. VCF contact files also can openable on computer, laptop, desktop, PC means personal computer, using Notepad, WordPad, Microsoft Outlook, among other types of software and applications. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching or listening our videos Digital YouTube channel.